Salesforce Custom Apps, a developer's guide. Salesforce provides developers with many tools to build custom apps. From the Salesforce Lightning Platform to API integrations, the possibilities are endless. Salesforce Custom App Development lets businesses create tailored solutions. They can fit their unique needs and processes. Salesforce has powerful development tools and a strong platform. Salesforce Developer Training. Before building custom apps, developers must train to understand the Salesforce platform. Many resources can help developers upskill and become certified Salesforce developers. Building custom apps on Salesforce. A key part of customizing Salesforce is to build custom apps for specific business needs. Developers can use Visualforce pages and Lightning components. Salesforce integration. Today, custom apps must integrate with other systems and services. Salesforce offers robust integration capabilities, allowing developers to connect their custom apps with external APIs and web services for enhanced functionality. Salesforce security customization. Security is key in building custom apps on Salesforce. Developers must follow best practices for secure customization. This includes setting custom permissions, checking rules, and using encryption to protect sensitive data. Salesforce deployment and testing. After building the custom app, developers must deploy and test it. This ensures its functionality and performance. Salesforce has tools for automated testing, deployment, and version control. Conclusion. In conclusion, custom apps on Salesforce require tech skills, creativity, and a keen eye for detail.